What's up you guys, hope you're all doing good and welcome to our Dream Dot channel once again. For those who are visiting our channel for the first time, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Jagdish, a software developer with around 10 years of experience. In our channel on a daily basis, we are trying to cover the basic concepts of Java programming. If you are interested or willing to learn Java from the fundamentals, don't forget to go and check out our channel. We'll try to upload the videos on a daily basis. In our recent past videos, we have been trying to cover various types of variables that are available in Java, like the local variables, instance variables, and the static variables. But still, we have been receiving lots of messages and queries where the audience is trying to confuse among the variables. So we thought of making a video to clarify the differences between a local variable, instance variable, and a static variable. Let's use the same example that we used in our previous videos. We used a hello instance class. And also we used one other class with the name employee. So here the class employee has three variables: employee ID, the name, and the company name. And there is a parameterized constructor and there is a display method which displays the name, employee ID, and the company. And to invoke this particular method, we have created an object from here and we are calling the display method. So let me try to comment this one out. Okay. First, when we create an object for this particular method, we are passing two values, employee ID and the employee name. So these two values go and get saved in these two things, employee ID and the employee name, by making use of this parameterized constructor. So these two variables are called as the instance variables because they are specific to the objects. For example, when you created the first object and when you call the display method, the values are different, 1001 and Sam. And when you created the second object and when you sent different values, its value is different. So the value changes based on the instance or the object. That is, it stores the state of the instance or the object. So those variables are called as the instance. They can be altered using the objects that has been created. Then secondly, what are static variables? Static variables are something that begins with the keyword static and it is specific to the class. It is not specific to the object. So here in the hello instance class, if we try to set a different value for the company name, because static variable, since it belongs to the class, you don't have to access it using the object. You can directly access it using the class name. If you set a value to that particular static variable and if you run this particular program, even though you call the display method using two different objects, the value of the company name remains the same for both, as we have altered the class variable called as the static variable. Then what is meant by a local variable? In case if I am going to define string some display pattern, okay, display pattern, and if I am trying to merge this one with this one with the company name, okay, and if I try to print this particular display pattern over here, and let me comment out all these things, and now if I try to run this particular program, so run as a Java application, and it gets printed like this: name is Sam, employee ID is 1001, company name is Triplex, everything in a single line by making use of this display pattern. So this display pattern variable, which is defined within this particular method, is what is called as a local variable. The scope of the display pattern is only within this particular method. Outside this method, you will not be able to access this particular variable. In case if you try to access it, you will end up in error. This is what is called as a local variable. So to reiterate what we have seen, there are three basic variable types available in Java: a local variable, an instance variable and a static variable. A local variable is something which has its scope within the method. You cannot access that particular variable outside that method, even within the class. That is called as an local variable. Instance variables are something that stores the state of the object. The value can be altered using the object that has been created for that particular class. Those variables are called as the instance variables. So instance variables will be defined outside the methods and it will not have a keyword called as static. If a variable has a keyword static, then those variables are called as the static variables and they belong to the class. It is not object specific. If you change the value at the class level, it will reflect on all the objects that you created. So that is what is called as a static variable. Hope you found this video informative. Still, if you have any confusions or questions related to the variables, don't forget to try to comment it out in the comment section. And if you found this video informative, give this video a thumbs up. We'll meet you in the other video soon. Thank you.